Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and everything in between. And today we are making chicken teriyaki. It's a bit more complicated than my other dishes, so I'm preparing a few things ahead of time. We got 3 cans of these water chestnuts, which we're going to be honey roasting in the oven. So you want to get honey, and I know it's a little confusing, but some soy sauce. In addition to that, although we won't do it till tomorrow, you'll want to mince some carrots and get the tops of the flowets of some broccoli chopped up and set aside. You just want to use as much as you feel necessary of these two, and then you want to have your oven preheated to, let's do 400, and you want to set them in for, let's do 25 minutes. Let's be low enough to get the flavor in there, but not cook them so much that we wouldn't be able to use them again tomorrow. So this is about what you want it to look like. Once it's done, make sure you use extra honey, as it is a very delicate flavor that will get overshadowed very easily. But you want to make sure everything is nice and evenly soaked. Maybe add a little more in, mix it in. Just make sure you have a lot more honey than soy sauce. Again, it's an easily overshadowed flavor, so you want a lot of it. I have my oven preheating, and you'll want a tin with walls like this, and I pammed it. I'm not sure if that won't do anything, but I'd rather have it non-stick than stick. This is so you can get a little soy sauce in there. Honey soy sauce, I guess now, since honey's been mixed into it. This is so you can get some honey soy sauce in, so that way as it cooks, it evaporates and adds to the flavor a little bit. It'll also make sure that you don't overcook your water chestnuts before you need to use them. Alright, so this is how you're going to want to lay the water chestnuts out after they've soaked. You don't want to put them on the tray until about 350, 360 degrees. So that way by the time you're done putting them on there, it will have heated up to 400. There we go. You want to evenly space them apart. You just want to go spoon. Get the nice honey soy sauce. Just want to drizzle it here and there. And this is what you want them to look like. Nice and gently golden brown like this. As you can see, some of the honey soy sauce is cooked away, just as I said. Once you have them like this, then all you want to do is wait for them to cool, put them in a baggie, throw them in the fridge for tomorrow. And as previously stated, I'll see you tomorrow for the rest. And we're back. So for the chicken, you're just going to want to chop it up as much as you want. You're going to want to toss it around in a bowl with a mixture of honey, soy sauce, and hot sauce. Just a dash. You don't want too much hot sauce, otherwise it'll ruin the flavor and overpower everything. Seasonings you'll want to use is black pepper, parsley. Parsley. It's supposed to be Italian. Use Italian. Out of my sight. Garlic salt. And then you want to use those same seasonings in the roux you want to make. I would use maybe half of this, just to get things started. Add the broth, slowly add in some flour till you get a nice consistency. The only seasoning you want to add to this one, in addition to that, is the cumin, and make sure you add just a dash of hot sauce in there as well. I like the Cholula. Gonna make a switch to Italian, and that'll be about it. Can't believe I grabbed the wrong one. And then for the rice mixture, obviously we have rice. but you'll want to boil first. And then once that is done, because you'll want to be cooking the roux at the same time, once that's done, you'll want to make sure you have the roux to a good point where you want it. Add the two together, and then add the carrots, the broccoli leaflets, which is just the very tops of the broccoli, no stem at all. And then the honey roasted water chestnuts. Mix that around, all while having the chicken cook for about half an hour at 400 degrees after being mixed around with the sauces and seasonings. Once that's all together, I'll show you how it looks. And voila. Can I get a however many out of 10 from each of you guys? Mom?
I'm going to give you an 8.
7.6.
8.